Hello everyone, welcome back to G.S.P Media. Today we are going to clear up some basic but very important electrical concepts: voltage, current, earth, phase, ground, and neutral. These are the backbone of electrical systems, and understanding them is essential for safety and troubleshooting. Let's get started. Voltage is the pressure that pushes electric current through a circuit. It's like the force that moves water through a pipe. Imagine a water tank connected to a pipe. The higher the water level in the tank, the more pressure it creates to push water through the pipe. The water tank's height is like voltage. More height equals more pressure. The water flow in the pipe is like electric current. More pressure equals more flow. If there's no height difference, water won't flow. Just like no voltage means no current flow. So in an electrical circuit, a battery or power source provides voltage to push electric charges through wires, just like water pressure pushes water through a pipe. Neutral wire. Phase wire, also called the live or hot wire, carries the electrical current from the power source to your appliances. This is the wire that provides power and can be dangerous if touched. The neutral wire completes the circuit by returning the current back to the power source. Ideally, it has 0 volts relative to the ground, making it safer to handle compared to the phase wire. Simply put, the phase wire delivers power and the neutral wire completes the loop. Now, how do these two work together? When you plug in an electrical device and turn it on, the phase wire brings electricity to the appliance, and the neutral wire provides a return path for the current. Without the neutral wire, the circuit wouldn't be complete and the device wouldn't function. Many people think that the neutral wire isn't important, but in reality, it plays a crucial role. It helps balance the electrical load and ensures that excess electricity returns safely. In three-phase systems, neutral also allows for stable voltage distribution. Difference between earthing and grounding. Have you ever wondered about the difference between earthing and grounding? Many people think they are the same, but they serve different purposes in electrical systems. What is earthing? Earthing is the process of connecting electrical equipment directly to the earth. This helps protect people and devices from electric shocks by safely directing excess current into the ground. For example, in your home, the metal body of a refrigerator is earthed. If any leakage current occurs, it flows into the earth instead of giving you a shock. What is grounding? Grounding, on the other hand, connects the electrical circuit's neutral point to the earth. It helps maintain system stability and ensures the proper functioning of protective devices. For example, in power transmission systems, grounding helps balance voltage and prevents electrical faults from causing major damage. Both earthing and grounding are essential for electrical safety and efficiency. Understanding their differences helps in designing better and safer electrical systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.